Happy day, lovies! So we visited Providence Homes and we were blessed to feast on the DIMSUM offered as bestsellers in City Walk capital site. So what we had there was pancit chami, seafood delight, beef broccoli, spring rolls, yang chow, peppercorn pork ribs, lemon chicken, and meat tofu. Once again, we'd like to thank City Walk care of Sir Rodney Ko and his wife for blessing us a bountiful feast last Sunday, and also the staff.
What's your name, ma'am?
Jonah lang.
So their branch in capital site or in Sudlon is just a delivery hub, while their dine-in restaurant is located in Inodata HGV Arcade in Subang Dako, Mandawi City, Cebu. For inquiries and reservations, feel free to message them in Facebook and call the phone number that I'll be indicating in the video right now. So once again, daghang salamat gikan sa Kuratsya Cast, and these are videos which were given to us courtesy of Sir Rodney Ko. These are served in both restaurant and also in their delivery hub. So to ask about bestsellers, please make sure to message them in their Facebook page at City Walk. So we'd like to thank City Walk for sponsoring our food today during our Kuratsya episode shoot, and also Providence Homes for the venue. Shout out to Mr. Rodney Ko. Thank you so much for the trust for BYC and Kuratsya, sir. Thank you so much. Bye!